Hi again, Caitlin McDonald here with the Social Speak Network, and today we are talking about creating your website. Now, if you're just tuning in, we are on day 11 of creating a successful freelance business that aligns with your passions and your expertise and brings you freedom and flexibility. Now, this whole video series, I'm releasing one video every single day, and it is really made for that individual who has other competing priorities each day. So we go through that one thing to do during that day to get you to reach that next level. So if you haven't already, jump back to August 1st. You will see day number 1, and then you can continue through the rest of the videos. These are on YouTube as well as on Facebook. And if you want continual access to them, we do have our paid guide that goes step by step, along with the different questions and prompts and things to think about as you are starting your freelancing business. So you can get the free guide at socialspeaknetwork.com/first-month, and the paid version is socialspeaknetwork.com/ignite. So please feel free to take a look at those, but let's get started. So as I mentioned, today is all about installing WordPress and creating your website. Now, before we go any further, I want to be super clear as I possibly can be, that you don't need a website. As you are getting started, you do not need a website to attract clients and to convert people you know and prospects into paying customers. As a freelancer, you can rely on your story and your personal relationships to get those clients. Now, the reason why we do include creating a website as one of the first steps in creating your business is this first 31 days. The whole program and structure is really designed to make sure that you're set up for long-term success. And you'll see in a week or so, we're going to be talking about building referral relationships. And oftentimes, these individuals, let's say you are a copywriter and you are working on partnerships with website developers, they will want to see something kind of like a brochure that's up there that explains some of your unique value proposition, because they are, this is cold outreach online that you will be doing to these individuals. So having some sort of brochure, if you will, that accurately describes your values and your story and the benefits of your services can really make that process of creating those new relationships a lot easier. But for your first clients, you do not need a website. So let us take a look here at how to set up your website. Yesterday, we did the hosting and your domain name. And if you are on Bluehost, it actually immediately prompts you to install WordPress onto that website. If you are on GoDaddy or any of those other solutions out there, typically there is a one-click app install for WordPress. So in the paid guide, I do have a step-by-step list of how to set up WordPress on your website. Today, though, what I recommend doing is jumping into your hosting account, trying to find that one-click install, and then I do recommend purchasing a theme, just because then you get that much more support and you can customize it that much more. Oftentimes, there are also demos that you can then import, and typically when you purchase a theme, again, you can have a lot more hands-on attention from the theme developers. The Divi theme is a great one, DIVI, as well as the Enfold theme. And I actually am more partial to the Enfold theme, just because you can make a site look however you want it to with whatever functionality that you want. And the developers have been doing a ton of work to make sure that they are as SEO friendly as possible. So go to your hosting, find the one-click install, do that, and then the links to the Divi theme and the Enfold theme are in the description here. so that you can just click and go over to ThemeForest or the Divi theme to download those theme files. There's also an option, I think it's usually about $50 to have the theme developers then install the information onto your hosting. So you don't need to spend thousands. The goal here is just to get something that conveys your message properly. So we've worked on your story, we've worked on, figuring out what your passions and your why are, and that's the information that you want to communicate so people know exactly what it's going to be like when they work with you and the exact benefits that they can expect when they refer people to you. Again, we're talking about those referral partners. So yeah, good luck. Please, in the comments, let me know if you have any questions, and you will be well on your way to having that website up and running. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.